Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have the zip file in my PC. Just right click on it and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter. Double click on the games folder and paste the zip file we copied and then go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select the manage settings and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option and the games folder has been added to this list and then just close stuff here and you just need to open up Chrome and search WinRAR download. Select the first site, select the WinRAR English option and it will start downloading. After the download done, click on it, select yes, select the install option and select OK and select done. After the installation done, right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select the extract here option. Open the extracted folder, double click on the game folder, right click on the game icon and select show more options and select send to desktop create shortcut and then just close tab here and launch the game through the desktop shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.